guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elsa Chinyari and this is To Life with Me. To my newcomers, karibuni sana. To my gang, it's always a pleasure to have you guys. So today, as you can see, I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to show you guys how to make mshikaki. Yes, mshikaki at home without oven, with just your gas and your pot. Okay, I'm going to show you. It's so easy. I'm going to be using goat meat instead of beef, but you can use beef, you can use chicken, you can use pork, anything that any meat that you want, you can use it. Okay, let me show you how I did my goat meat mshikaki. With the other ingredients, you'll need the green bell pepper. You can cut it in any. I just love it like this, chunky. Meanwhile, our mshikaki sticks, I've soaked them. You need to soak them in water before using them so that it doesn't burn. So I think that's it, not too much. We'll also need onion. I prefer this onion. So what we do, you just remove the layers like this. That's what we are going to use, like that. You can do as many as possible, enjoy. You can even put tomato, but I'm not going to be putting tomato today. And you can also put the red and the yellow bell pepper. I think that's enough. Now what you're going to do, remember it has been over 30 minutes. Our goat meat was marinating and now it's ready. So what we're going to do, we're going to, you see this part, we have this sharp part which looks like a toothpick. I don't know if you can see. And then we have this part, so you insert using this side. So you just do this. Make sure you don't reach the edge. Okay, so you do that, then you insert your bell pepper, that, your onion, like that, your meat, You can do any type of meat. You can do chicken, you can do beef. I just preferred the goat meat. Yes. So guys, I've managed to do 4. This is how it looks. Feel free to add anything in between, like tomatoes, anything you think of. So now I've put oil in my pot. I'm just waiting for it to be a little bit hot, then put in the mshikaki. We are going to place it like that. Then we are going to turn after it's cooked on one side. Keep on turning. You have to keep on turning so that it doesn't burn. Like you see, like this one, it almost got burnt because I was turning, but it was still rolling on the same side. So make sure you turn the correct side. So guys, mshikaki is done. Look at that. So that you can see, it looks so yummy. My phone is not doing justice to this mshikaki. So let's have a taste. So nice. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Let's have a taste. Cheers. So yummy. So good. So guys, I'll see you in my next vlog. Let me enjoy my mshikaki. Comment down below if you're going to try it out, and tell me what else you want to see me doing, and I will do it. Okay, I'm yet to do a review on my face. Just hold on, I'm going to do a review. So guys, let me enjoy my mshikaki at home, and I'll see you in my next vlog.